You will say something?
Good.
Say something.
Say something.
Yes. Hello guys.
Rolling.
Today I'm with my friend, colleague, partner, and we will be doing a yearly maintenance of our winch.
Yes.
Electrical component, frequency drive, electrical motor. So let's go.
Let's go.
Before starting any work orders, always do risk assessment, work permits if needed, and isolation permits. Here we install our lockout and tagout or LOTO. This work order includes insulation testing and Megger testing. So we have to disconnect electric motor from frequency drive to avoid damaging sensitive electronics. So we decided to disconnect from motor side.
Okay, boys, this is a cover for junction box of e-motor. Be careful with this because this material is very sensitive. It can crack at any time.
Here we will show you an example why always make a habit to check for voltage before doing the job.
Okay, let's check if we have some power. I will do it like that and check. We have 7.9 volts, 8 volts, but comparing the air, we have 16 volts. That means
We need to know.
that means we have winding heating.
So that means we need to turn off the heating first.
Yes, correct. Like you can see, this is the delta connection. Now we're going to disconnect this e-motor and prepare for mega test. Be careful.
In order to make the test properly, we have to disconnect the wires and the delta connections. So we will be measuring between earth and phase and between phases.
First we need to find very good ground. Here. Let's check. Ground. Check. Okay, ground is excellent. And this is 400 volts e-motor. I will put Megger on 500 volts. And then we will test it phase by phase. It's excellent. Also excellent. Excellent.
Phase by phase.
Phase by phase. This results means excellent because it's higher than 550 megohms. Excellent.
Excellent. make sure it's tight but not over tight. Yeah. Okay, we are also dismounting the fan and check for the condition.
And we will take some cleaning from dust and dirt and grease.
What's in here?
Here is brakes for e-motor.
And we will be also checking the brakes and the limit switches. Here we are also checking the status and condition of our electromotor brake, the encoder, and micro switch. So in order also to maintain the good condition of our electromotor, always make a habit not only to clean inside but also outside. At the moment, we are finished on electrical motor side. So now we will proceed to the braking resistor. What is a braking resistor? It is a resistor that will help to slow down and stop the motor by dissipating excess voltage generated by the decelerating motor. And also some certain operation, our motor will act as generator due to sudden stop and loss of power, creating electrical energy which flows back into the power circuit, and this will be absorbed by the braking resistor. And for larger motor, it is very critical. We will also check the insulation of our brake resistor. So now we will proceed to our variable frequency drive. We will open the cover and check the terminals and retype. After checking our variable frequency drive, now we will proceed to our power distribution cabinet, our main control cabinet, and check for any signs of damage and retype the terminals. So we are done with our work order for today. Now we can remove the lockout and tag out and turn on the main breaker. See something?
Good.
See something?
Say something.
Yes, finished.
That's all, folks, for today.
Okay, see you and goodbye.
Good.